Thank you for watching the KHSD Weekly Wrap-Up. I'm Erin Briscoe-Clark. Over 200 alternative education students walked across the stage to receive their diplomas Wednesday evening. 220 proud students from our alternative education sites walked across the stage at BHS's Harvey Auditorium, ready to bid farewell to high school and embark on new adventures.
Vivica Nadine Mendoza.
Overall, 295 students from our continuation high schools, Workforce Academy, and Discovery met graduation requirements to receive their diplomas. Graduates delivered moving speeches saying getting to this day at times seemed impossible, but they persevered.
I did feel like this day wouldn't come because I was a hard-headed kid. I didn't listen, I was going down the wrong path, and started getting my stuff together, so I'm surprised that I made it, but at the same time, I'm excited.
Andrew Cadena says now that high school's over, he has his eyes set on future career goals.
I've been enrolled in a dual enrollment class. One of my second periods is called career development, and I was able to enroll in BC, and so now I want to do the electrical course there. So my plans are to be an electrician. We'll see how it goes, but that's my plan.
We want to send a huge congratulations to the class of 2022.
Tonight marks a first for the Kern High School District in that we will be giving the oath of office to the first student board member in district history.
Centennial senior Anna Herron settled into her seat alongside the KHSD Trustees Monday evening for her first board meeting.
This position is totally to connect the board to the students, and I am a student, and everyone that I'm speaking for is also a student, and so the greatest thing that I hope to come out here with is obviously that people should come and talk to me, and that I'm very open and excited for all of this.
The student board member will have the opportunity to learn firsthand the importance of civic involvement. Herron will attend and participate in board meetings, except for closed session meetings. She will also vote, but her vote will not be counted in the final outcome. She says she's ready to get to work, listen, and represent the student body.
Well, I believe that the board has done a wonderful job in listening towards my opinions and towards the opinions of the student, and I think that just by me being up there and vocally expressing my opinion, they're definitely more aware of perhaps what the students might want more of. So just by simply taking my vote into consideration, it still is definitely a large deal to the students.
I have a motion and a second. All those in favor?
Herron will serve as a student board member through June of this year. Finals week can be stressful, so Golden Valley High wanted to sweeten student cram sessions a bit. Leadership students served up hot chocolate and marshmallows to students on Monday and Tuesday in the cafeteria for the annual Cocoa and Cram. Teachers and tutors were on hand to help students with questions they might have in various subjects, so they are prepared for their final exams.
In the past, we have just asked for teachers to volunteer their time, and we have got wonderful staff at Golden Valley, and so they've always come over on their own time and helped out. And some of the teachers here today are here of their own volition. And then we also have an after-school tutoring program that typically runs on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So we just kind of shifted location and days to accommodate for the finals. So some of the staff that are here helping are our normal after-school tutors. And some of the teachers who are here are just extra help because they want to do something good for our students at Golden Valley.
We wish all students the best of luck on their finals. School sites have made at-home COVID rapid antigen tests available to students. The state provided the test kits to give students to take home and voluntarily test if they feel sick or are exposed to someone with COVID. The state says the goal of distributing the test kits is to help slow the spread of COVID following the holiday break. For more information about at-home COVID testing, please visit our website, kernhigh.org, and click on the COVID-19 link on the homepage. Thank you for watching the KHSD Weekly Wrap-Up. For more videos, please visit the Kern High School District Public Information YouTube page. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.